Hey friends, Stacy here, and I'm back with another video. Alright, so in today's video, I want to talk about vacation weight gain. Okay, I know it's summer and a lot of us have traveled, whether for work or for pleasure or for whatever reason. And when you go on vacation, we all know what happens. You know, you're living your best life and you're eating whatever you want to. You're probably not working out. And then you gain some weight, okay? Like it could be a few pounds or it could be 5, 10, 15, 20 pounds, you know. So that recently happened to me, and I am happy to say that as of today, I have lost 15 pounds. I'm not sure all of that was gained during the vacation, but a lot of it was. And so I've now bounced back. So I want to share with you some key tips that worked for me that might be able to help you bounce back from vacation weight gain. Okay, so first of all, it is very important. This is the major key, and that is don't beat yourself up about it. Change your mindset about how you're viewing the whole situation, okay? I know you probably feel bad that you are more sluggish and you don't look the same and you gain weight and your clothes are tighter. Cool. Just, acknowledge it and accept it, and then be kind to yourself, because all of that stress and pressure is actually going to have the opposite effect on your body that you actually want. The cortisol levels in your body are going to be higher due to that stress, and it's going to make you hold on to the weight more. And having that negative view of your body and all of that is really not going to be sustainable and helpful for you to reach your goals. You have to look at it like, okay, I had fun. This is not necessarily where I want to be, but it's going to take some time to get there, and we're going to start now and we're going to give it our all, and that's cool. And however long it takes, it's cool. Okay, so change your attitude and your mindset about the weight gain so that you can be able to release that fat easier. Number 2, I would say, is to start cutting out a lot of that stuff that you were eating. You're probably eating a lot of sodium, a lot of sugar, a lot of fats and oils, a lot of fried food, a lot of processed food, and eating out, okay? So now you're gonna do the exact opposite. You're gonna be cooking your meals at home. You're gonna cut out all the refined sugars. You're gonna cut out the fried foods. No fast food, no eating out. You're going to stick to cooking at home, okay? And filling your body with nutrient-rich foods, okay? This is gonna jumpstart the weight loss, which leads back into number 1, that gives you that encouragement, like, okay, the weight's coming off. Okay, it's not that bad, it's coming off. Yeah, I think within like the first week I came back and I started doing these things, I probably lost probably about 4 or 5 pounds that first week to 10 days. And at this point, like I said, I've lost 15 pounds. So this stuff will help you stay encouraged to keep going in your weight loss journey. That means having your smoothies in the morning, green smoothies, having your weight loss drinks. I'm going to make a video of some weight loss drinks that I like to make that have helped so much in literally melting fat off of the body. And when I'm consistent with that, I see results like that. Like, the only thing is that you have to like make it every day and make sure that the rest of your diet is also very good. So that's the key. But it helps to literally melt fat off. So I'm going to make a video talking to you about some weight loss drinks in the next video. But back to this video. So again, doing all of that to keep your nutrient level high, to kind of flush out all the toxins and help your body like jolt back into fat burning mode and realizing like, okay, we got work to do. All right. You might be tempted to skip meals because you're like, oh, I need to get this weight off fast, but don't do it. Again, that will have the opposite effect, and that will make you retain weight, and it'll slow down the whole process. So keep eating. Don't stop eating or start skipping meals or trying to restrict, but keep eating and make sure that you're eating healthy foods. In fact, your goal should be to eat a lot, but make sure it's very clean, okay? Your goal should be to eat as much as possible, but be very clean with it so that you're really resetting your gut and your system and all of that, all right? So next tip is to get back on your exercise, okay? So reestablishing a schedule when you get back home is really gonna help you get back into the motions, get back into your fighting shape. So, you know, set your alarm clock, set your goals so that you wake up early and get in your workout. It doesn't have to be anything too intense or crazy, just get your body moving, and then you can increase from there according to your goals. But yes, get moving as soon as possible. Next, hydrate. Big part of being on vacation might be eating a lot of salty foods, fried foods, stuff that dehydrates you, and also drinking alcohol, which also dehydrates you, and not drinking as much water as you probably should be, which dehydrates you. So once you're back home, make sure you rehydrate. Replenish those cells that are thirsty for some H2O. Start drinking a lot of water. Keep like a large water bottle with you. Keep refilling it as soon as it gets empty. These are just some tips to help remind you to drink more water. You can flavor your water with lemon or orange slices or cucumber or whatever you want to, if that helps. And yeah, get yourself rehydrated as soon as possible and keep that going, and that will really help you to release the fat as well. And my last tip is to make sure you're tracking your progress. So as much as it might pain you to see what your starting weight is, get on that scale, find out what it is, put it into a tracker. I personally use Chronometer. Yeah, and it just has a graph like this that is super helpful and super useful. So I recommend tracking your weight loss so that you can see, because that'll keep you encouraged, because sometimes you feel like, oh, I'm not making progress, or oh, I went up and down. But as you can see from my graph is like weight loss isn't like this. So when you gain weight, you might feel like, oh no, it's not working, but you want to be able to see the full picture, and you want to be able to track your progress, because that's going to keep you motivated in times when you're like, oh, I gained 2 pounds, but then you look back and you're like, you know what, this is just part of the journey, and I'm going to keep pushing to make sure I'm losing weight next week. And yeah, so I definitely recommend tracking your progress. Okay guys, so those are some of the tips and tricks that I used to lose 15 pounds after vacation. And I'm going to keep you guys along with me in this weight loss journey. You know, we're in this together. Like, it's hard out here in these streets, but we're in this together. So I hope that these tips helped you guys. And if you have other tips, again, please leave them in the comments below. Let's chat, let's talk about it, and let's share in the knowledge. And I will see you guys in the next video.